Talk Show by Cyrafins Media Magazine. From the organizers of India's Premium Business Awards and from the organizer of India's biggest women empowerment program. For Local Talk Show, an exclusive platform for inspiring business owners. A home without a woman is like a barn without a cattle. Let's welcome our guest for today, Dr. Saraswati, founder of Sachu's Kitchen from Thrissur, Kerala. Hi Dr. Saraswati, welcome to the show. What is Sachu's Kitchen and what was the idea behind the execution of Sachu's Kitchen?
Hi all. I'm Dr. Saraswati, home baker, home chef from Thrissur, Kerala, founder of Sachu's Kitchen. Sachu's Kitchen is a vegetarian takeaway restaurant. It all started about 10 years back when my passion in baking eggless cakes and gifting those eggless cakes to our family gatherings and occasions. Everybody liked and loved the taste of the cake, and nobody believed that we can bake such a tasty and spongy cakes without eggs. And our cakes are tailor-made for our customers. Apart from these eggless cakes, we do provide North Indian and South Indian homemade vegetarian food. And the main concept of Sachu's Kitchen is that we provide food for even a single person who are in need of homemade vegetarian food. And delivering these homemade vegetarian food for even a single person is a success of Sachu's Kitchen.
What are the challenges did you face being a local business and how did you overcome it?
Well, the challenges we have faced is that it's not an easy thing to run a veg restaurant in Kerala where public prefers mostly to go for non-veg food. As a veg restaurant here, I took this challenge in a different way by adding my own type of fusion and unique dishes, adding in our menu. And I kept running my business. At the same time, I keep on adding unique kind of snacks and fusion dishes to our menu to satisfy our customers' taste buds. Although it took time to satisfy our customers' taste, by this time we are seeing a lot of changes in their attitude towards our food and dishes.
Compared to other multinational food brands, how does Sachu's Kitchen differ from other brands?
Of course, Sachu's Kitchen's dishes are very much different from other MNC brands because the masalas added to our dishes are fresh and homemade and prepared under hygienic conditions. So without mentioning, you can understand that Sachu's Kitchen products are entirely different from MNC brands and tasty and hygienic too.
How reliable is your products? And what is the quality mantras of Sachu's Kitchen?
Talking about reliability and quality, Sachu's Kitchen cannot afford to compromise on the quality of our food. And it is something people consume to quench hunger, and so it is as humane as it gets. And we are very much paying attention to serve our customers fresh and quality food. In short, Sachu's Kitchen provides homemade, healthy and hygienic food to our customers.
How proud are you being a small business and what do you feel about Vocal for Local Talk Show?
I believe that small businesses are the backbone of our country, and it gives me immense pleasure and pride to carry on such an entrepreneurial adventure. I wake up every day to fulfill my passion of preparing good food and making sure that it reached people. I believe that every person in our country has that fire in them. And to be a small business in such a huge competition brings the best out in you.
What is your advice for our viewers watching this channel on being vocal for local?
The onus is on the consumer to be more mindful of their consumption. Every time you buy a product that is 100% Indian, you support a local businesses, chain of employees and their families, and even you buttress the economy. We need to understand that locally made products come with its own challenges that can be unprecedented and will require a lot of patience. If you're not indulging in any shopping, write a positive review in their social media pages, in their website, and you can even tell your friends and families about their brands and follow them on social media.